friends, my name is Catalina and I like to cook for my family. I decided to film this part of the video out here because it's nice, the light is very good and I am surrounded by flowers and I thought you might like to see that. Although it's very hot, it's windy and makes it more bearable. As you probably noticed, lately I've been cooking only vegan food, but that was because we were during the Lent. Not that we are not in Lent anymore. I decided to start cooking again with meat. One of my subscribers, Joy Bernhardt, suggested to me that I should show a spaghetti sauce recipe. So that's why today I'm gonna cook a spaghetti sauce with hamburger meat. By hamburger meat, I mean ground beef that I'm gonna cook with onions and garlic, and I'm gonna use some tomato sauce. Either you can use the raw tomatoes or chopped tomatoes in a can, or tomato sauce in a can. We're gonna reduce this sauce and we're gonna add some parmesan, and we're gonna enjoy it with our prepared pasta. So give me a few minutes to cool down and get back in my kitchen, and this recipe is gonna be very short. I hope you're gonna try it at home and you're gonna enjoy it, and give me a like, and if you didn't subscribe already, you'll subscribe in the end. I also want to thank to all my subscribers and to their nice comments. If it wasn't for your comments and for your support, I would not probably film anymore. So yeah, I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Pound of meat, so I mixed 1 can of 15 ounces of tomato sauce with 3 tomatoes, like medium size, that I showed you in the picture. Finally pureed, and I think this sauce is enough for 2 portions, big portions, or maybe 3 small ones. The right amount of meat and sauce. It's thick enough, you know. It's not too runny, but it's thick enough to stick to the pasta. Next, we're gonna boil the pasta according to the package instructions. I'm gonna boil them al dente because they say pasta al dente has a low glycemic index. Pasta that comes in packages like this one, and it has on the label durum wheat as an ingredient, has a thin crust that when fully cooked it breaks and makes pasta as bad as any other gluten-rich food. But when cooked al dente, it keeps that fiber intact, and so the glycemic index is lower than it is when it's fully cooked. Next, I'm shredding some parmigiano. I washed the pasta in cold water. It's still hot, and next I'm gonna mix it with the butter and parmigiano cheese. mix it until the butter melts. Add some more parmesan, and that's it. Our pasta is ready to eat. Hey guys, time has come for me to taste my food with a nice rosé wine from Made in America. Very good, made in Oregon. And I'm gonna taste my food. It's not completely boiled. It's al dente, as I say. You can chew it. I love the sauce. And please try it as I showed you, with a bit of butter and the parmesan before you add the sauce. Mix them well and then you add the sauce, and the results, you're gonna like them different than what you tasted before. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give me a like and leave a nice comment, and I hope I'll see you guys in the future. Bye!